Okay, I'm back and I found the kitty. Okay, we're gonna get her reaction and see what she does. Salem, it's candy. Rawr. Listen, it's just candy. Have you even tried candy in your life? Listen, Salem, does it look like it's moving? It's not moving. Okay, I swear, Salem, if you drop that candy, I will be so mad. To be continued. The cat got away from the candy, and we're still gonna force it to eat it. Eat the candy! That cat totally doesn't understand. Look. It's not even that scary. What will the cat do? What will the cat do? Get her reaction down here. Look, she's not even under the table. Well, it's not even a scary lobster. Bye, guys.